There's a free AI tool that will help you make professional videos out of your clips. It's called the Clipchamp Auto Compose feature, and anyone with a Microsoft account can use it. Today, I made a race car video using the tool, and it looks very professional even though I used only a few minutes of my time to make it. You simply upload your clips, then select a few styles you like, choose a length and an orientation, and you're done. Then you can either export it right away or open it in Clipchamp's editor for further changes. They give you a few stock options for music, but most of the time you'll want to open the video in the editor and add some music of your own. And now, I'll share the example video I made with the AI.